strawberry lip scrubs. No, you cannot eat it. Okay, maybe one lick.
Bitch, it ain't even my birthday, but I can ball if I want to.
Here's some of the signs Ivy made this week.
So y'all really saying you can blow up my small business overnight? Things you turn into a savage in 4 years.
48 hours. Now what does it turn into? It turns into how hard we compete. How personal do you take this? How personal do you take your matchup? How personal do you take it if they don't slide to you? How personal do you take it if somebody beats you to a ground ball? How personal do you take it if somebody knocks the ball out of your stick after you pick the ground ball up? Fellas, there's a lot to be said about character. What happens when you make a mistake? Do you sit back and you feel sorry for yourself? Or do you ball your fists up and get in a fist fight? Fellas, we made a mistake 10 days ago. And now it's about character. All that matters today is our response. Ball your fists up. Take the person.
You need something to be excited about when you wake up in the morning, and something that you're doing that has a purpose. And if you do something that you love and you have this amazing
messaging my customers small business edition. Customer, how much for a customized cup with all of these images if I provide the cup? Me, I can take a few dollars off so it will be blank amount. Customer, but I'm providing the cup. Me, yes I understand, but I still have to design it, cut it out, weed it, and put it on the cup. Customer, but I'm providing the cup. That doesn't make sense, it's just a sticker. Me, I am so sorry about that, I still have to charge for my time and supplies. Customer, that's way too much, I'll have someone else do it. Guys, your time is valuable, your work is valuable, don't let anyone make you feel different. I love your product, but can't afford it right now.
That's fine.
But I really want to support you.
Oh, no worries.
I'll support by commenting and sharing this video.
No worries.
My friends and family keep asking me how my small business is doing, which is awesome. And I keep saying something along the lines of, the response has been overwhelming. And I think when people hear that, they think it means that I'm getting 1 million orders. But when I say that the response has been overwhelming, what I mean is that the support has been overwhelming. The love has been overwhelming. The idea that someone wants to buy something that I made with my hands is overwhelming. And I think watching myself grow in confidence is pretty overwhelming too.